What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be learning how to download the wallet and how to mine Ravencoin Lite. Ravencoin Lite is a fork of Ravencoin Classic. If you didn't know Ravencoin Classic existed, now you know, and also Ravencoin Classic is a fork of Ravencoin. So we all learned something new. So this is speculative mining is what I call it, is I want to fill up my bags with a new coin and hoping in the future the project takes off, the price goes up and everything else with it. This project is not even listed on an exchange, but it does have Ravencoin in its name, so I thought I support Ravencoin, why not this project as well? And I'm hoping they do big things. So it's built on privacy, fairness, openness, and security. So I'll just read a couple of things here before I start mining. It's a GPU secured blockchain with privacy. It's getting 2,500 Ravencoin Lite per block. Ravencoin is now 5,000 till start of next year, I believe. So 30-second block time, 21 billion total supply. That's personally, that's a little bit too much for me because Ravencoin is 21 million, Bitcoin is 21 million, but we're still hoping it takes off. The centralized hash rate for better safety of the network. And if you guys scroll down here, you can say initial fork was August 2021, development of their website, which we're on right now, development integration of their nodes, DNS seeder, and you guys can go through this pool, and you guys can see the future of it, what they're trying to do. They might even get a CPU mining algorithm progress, wallets, campaign, longevity and everything else on this stuff. But it also here it says CPU mineable as well. We can go through that as well. But today we're focusing on GPUs with my 1616 Ti. So if you guys go on their website to wallets right here, you can scroll down. This is their cold wallet. Here you can look at the pools, which I have pulled up already. Miners and CPU so that's mining and tutorials here, but you guys are going through my tutorial, and there's nodes as well. So we're gonna start with the wallet, guys. We're gonna go ahead and click on this, and we're gonna go ahead and download. So there's Linux, Mac, OS, and Windows. You guys know I have Windows, so we're gonna click on this one and let it download. So I'm gonna open it in the folder, put all this stuff down, put it on the desktop as I always do. Right click, extract, give it a couple of seconds to open. And it should pop up something like this for you. Go ahead and open this folder, and there's your Raven Qt. Go ahead and double click on it, and the Windows will give you a prompt. I say yes, please run it, and it should give you something like this. I'm gonna say use custom, you just use default, and that's what I'm doing. You guys don't have to do it the same way I do. And now it's gonna give me Windows Defender firewall has blocks and features. I'm allowing those features. I'm gonna go ahead and close this, make it open. Now it is gonna start connecting to peers, as you guys can see down here. So it needs to have some kind of connections to be able to download the blockchain. But recent transaction may not be yet visible, therefore your wallet balance might be incorrect, so wait till it completely syncs. Now it's gonna show you progress down here, calculating. It says I'm 3 weeks behind currently, so it's gonna take a little bit of time. It shouldn't take as long as a Ravencoin one does, but it will take a little bit of time. It looks like we got our first connection coming online here slowly. So while we're waiting for the wallet to sync, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here. This is what the wallet looks like. You got your overview, send, receive. Do not do any transactions until this fully downloads, guys. Up here, you can encrypt it, back up your wallet, any other options. Under receive, you just go here and hit request payment, and you guys can couple of things here if you would like. But that's that. Let's learn how to mine Ravencoin Lite, guys. So under the same thing we said wallets, we can download T-Rex up to version 0.19.14 only. So you click on this, it will open T-Rex, and down here you can choose, this is the Windows. I downloaded the 11.1. Once you click on it and download it, put it on your desktop, and I extract it, and this is what it looks like on the T-Rex folder. You can right click and do a new, and do a new bat file. All I did, guys, is just choose one of these. That's a bat file, or you can go ahead and right click and edit, and it will open a bat file for you, and then you guys can start changing the bat file. Let's learn how to set up the bat file, guys. So before we can set up the bat file, we have to choose a pool. Now you guys can look at the coin miners is number 1, Zerk pool is 2, POV-coin.com is 3, pools.win is 4. Now pools.win is 0.1% fee. Looks like pirate mining pool is 0 currently, but I will choose the pools.win one. I like this one a lot. This is why it's easy for you to set up your bat file for it. So they have Ravencoin, WorldCoin, Bitcoin, Ram, Polcoin, Scooter Coin, on. And down here, if you scroll down here, it's gonna ask you couple of things that you need. What coin are you actually mining? Well, we're mining Ravencoin Lite. It's X16R algorithm, so it uses 16 algorithms and switches them while you're mining. That's why you will see your hash rate fluctuate up and down. Is this solo? No, I'm not doing a solo. And then we're gonna name our rig UNK. And then we're gonna need a wallet. So in your wallet, mine is not downloaded yet, so I will not be mining to it until it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and request a payment here. Once you request a payment, it will open a barcode for you and the address down here. You can just click on copy address. Go ahead and close that, and then copy and paste the address right here. There you go. And then don't forget to click start mining, which will create the bad file for you. So all we're gonna do is copy and paste this. So copy and open our T-Rex miner, and we're gonna go see how it starts here, -A or -A. Go ahead and highlight what's in the miner right now, just like that, and paste. This is copying the bad file from pools.win. And make sure you leave pause down here or it might mess with your mining. You can either go save or X out when I ask you to save. Make sure you remember where you're saving it to. I have a ravenminer.bat, which is right here. Let's make sure that's it. That is it. All right, now that we have that, all we have to do is double click on it and it should start mining for us. Now it will take a little bit longer. Now it did at the start give me a couple of errors, but I just restarted and it looks like it's starting mining. Next thing we need to do is get my MSI Afterburner on and start lowering this GPU. There you go, to 80. We want to cool that thing off because it is running very hot right now in the 70s. Not very hot, but so you guys can see at the 100 power limit that it's currently doing about 14.39, 14.4 mega hash, and it's gonna start driving because I lowered the power limit on it. Now, since it is X16R, I wasn't sure what to put as overclocks. Now, if I leave it here, we're taking about 100 watts, whereas at 96 watts, which I really don't want to do that too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower it to 75 power limit, and go ahead check. And you guys can play with these settings as much as you would like. So now that we have the miner running, we have some overclocks in here. I just lowered them so my card does not overheat. We're gonna go ahead and copy and paste the address that we used for it. Click on wallet and you can enter your address right here. Copy and paste it, hit submit, and it should pull up some of the stats for you. Now that we just started mining anyways, it won't pull up much for us, but you can see it's starting to recognize the hash rate for us. It's T-Rex miner UNK, currently saying it's 6.1 mega hash. But if we give it a little bit more time, this thing will update. There you go, difficulty day 8.6 miners, shares are 0.0935%, stuff like that. This will take a little bit of time to upgrade. So the wallet is still downloading for me. So I would not suggest mining to it yet, but there's not much else we can do when the wallet is downloaded anyway, so I will not. But when it does download fully for you guys, that's when you should start mining to it. So we learned how to set up the wallet. We learned how to mine it. We use T-Rex miner for this. We showed you some stats on pools.win, which this is my first time using it. I kind of like it. It's simple. It gives you everything you need. Just click around a couple of times to figure out what you're getting here. You got your pool, you got your wallet, you go home, you can set up all these other coins to mine as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and let it mine. We're gonna check the time. It is 9/17/2021, and we started at 7:08 p.m. So I'm gonna see what we get for 24 hours for this miner. So I'll come out with that video a little bit later, maybe a day or two later, but we took the time down so we know when we started mining it. And let's do another refresh, guys. Looks like we're up to 17.4 mega, which is not true. We're doing about 14.7 mega hash. Perfect. All right, guys, that's how to mine Ravencoin Lite. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you like the videos, like my channel, hit the subscribe, hit the like button. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day.